7 fall items. And if I keep 5, I get an additional 20% off. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Wantable. If you're not familiar with Wantable, I feel like a recording when I start saying this. They have a $20 styling fee, and if you keep 5 or more items, they only send you 7, then you will receive an additional 20% off. And of course, your styling fee of $20 will be credited to you for anything that you keep. Shipping is always free. So let's just get into it. Let's see what they sent me. I have a new stylist. His name is Caleb, and he knew that I wasn't real happy with my last box. So he took a little more time, he said, to curate this box for me. So Caleb, if you're watching, I'm excited to see what's in here. Caleb also said that he looked at my request, because you can go on Wantable's website and you can request or decline items. It's a stream that you keep checking, and I believe he sent me some things in here that I had requested. This is pretty. Look at that. It's got some detail up there as it go through. It's lace. A pretty fall color. So far, so good, Caleb. Nice mustard colored. What is this? Oh, this is heavy. Oh, a cow neck. That's nice. I love to keep my neck warm in the winter, fall. This is pretty. I've seen this. I've seen this somewhere. Who has this jacket? Oh, I think Angela has it. It's got the hood or something very similar. Oh, I like that it has the pink inside. Pink is my very favorite color. Look at that. It's the animal print. Is that zebra? No, that's not zebra. This is heavy. It's got the kangaroo pockets inside. So far, so good. Ooh, I'm liking this. Well, you know, price always plays a part in it. This is a bomber jacket. I think I requested this. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like that a lot. Of course, other than pink, black's my favorite color. And then white. What are these? Oh, leggings. Oh, I don't know. This girl doesn't squeeze into leggings right now, but I could probably use a pair if they fit. Oh, it's got a pocket. Nice. These feel nice, actually. I do need a pair of leggings. None of mine fit. None of them. What are they? This box is looking very promising, let me tell you. Pair of jeans. Who are these by? These, oh, they're button fly. I can't see without my glasses. I'm not a fan of button fly, because as you get older, when you have to go like now. These look long. These look really long. But we'll give them a try. You never know until you try them on. All right, let's get to the try on. Let's start with this Liverpool jacket. I just put it on over the black top that I had on because I wanted to see how it looked with this shirt with black underneath it. I love this jacket. It is by Liverpool. It's called the Bomber Jacket. I am wearing a size medium. I think it's too big because when I zip it, there's so much room in here. These are stitched in, but they come unstitched. There's no zipper, so I can't stick my pockets in there. But I think it's just, it feels big. But I have a short sleeve shirt on, so I need to try it on with something long sleeves. I like the print on it. The black on the sleeve. Black trim here and there and here, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's $119. Yikes. But I like it. I think it'll fit better to size down to a small. I did request this in their stream, but I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Honestly, what do you think? I like it. Feels good. Okay, let's look at the jeans. Okay, the jeans are really long. I am 5'3" for reference. They're by Driftwood. I've never heard of Driftwood. They're a high rise. They're $98. I am wearing a size 29. They're called the Wyatt High Boot Cut. Okay, look at, I have the tallest heels that I have on, that I own, and I'm walking on the bottom of this, but I love the wide hem on the bottom. So to hem them, I really wouldn't want to. I like that look. I'm not crazy about the button fly, but they button very easily. A lot of stretch in these. So because they're way too long, the jeans are going to be a no. Okay, this is by Democracy. Did I say that right? Oh, goodness. It's been one of those days. I like the V-neck on this and the lace that's added to it. They called it insert blouse. This is a sweater. This is soft, almost between a sweatshirt, like the fleece, and a sweater, like knit. It's really pretty. The color's nice. I like the loose sleeves, but they feel a little short. They're not long and they're not 3/4. So they're kind of like that in between. I don't like that feeling. Even though I mostly pull them up. $68. This is more like a burgundy color. It's a little flowy, but it's nice. I mean, it's a really nice top. It's machine washable, but for $68, I don't love it. No, I don't love it. I mean, it's cute. The back seems to keep, look how low the back is. It keeps pulling to the back. I don't know, it's pretty cute though. I don't know, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? It's machine washable, that's big, but $68. Is this worth $68? I don't know. I'll think about that. How cute is this? This is so cute. This is by Matrix. It is the shaker stitch turtleneck. I think I called it a towel neck. This string here it can tighten it, but it's good the way it is for me. It's really cute. It's hand wash. It is acrylic, it's scratchy. I'm feeling like, oh, I need to get it off. I love the style, love this. But it is acrylic, polyester, and I think nylon. It is maybe, I don't know. I know it has acrylic in it, like almost 50%. It is scratchy. So I need to get it off or else it would be a keeper. $79. I'm wearing a size small. It's so cute. I love this style. I like my neck to be warm. So this is really a really good style for me, but not acrylic, not when it's scratchy. Look how cute it is. Oh well. Well, this is a surprise. I'll back up and show you everything, but the top that I have on is by Vanilla Bay. Never heard of Vanilla Bay. This is $54. I'm not sure the size. It said L/S. Large, small, that doesn't make sense. But anyways, it's called the Front Drawstring Terry Knit. It's really lightweight. It is very soft. I kind of like this drawstring on the side so it can go all the way down. So I just put it up just to give it a little bit of a something, little something. It's a mauve color. It's really nice. It's actually very surprisingly nice. Covers the booty. All right, let me show you these leggings. Okay, these leggings are nice. They're by Search for Sanity. They're a little, I keep pulling up in the crotch, but that's very typical for me with leggings. These are high-waisted, $54. I am wearing a size medium. They have pockets, pocket here, and a pocket here. Let's see how deep. Pretty deep, so that will hold my phone, my keys, and let me show you the length. They are a little long, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, they're bunched up a little bit, but who cares? I'm just gonna be walking in them. I'm not going to the store or anything in leggings. Just not my thing. I don't know what this looks like back here, but if I'm out, I'm covering it up. So it's got the real wide band that I like. I don't know, it feels kind of They're soft. They're warm. So they'll be great when the weather turns. The weather is turning. I don't know, I kind of like them. And they're already here. I don't know about paying $54 for them. I bought a bunch of them last year. I think it was last year. I did a video on leggings and stuff, and none of those fit, ladies. None of them fit. All right, one more item. This is so cute. Look at this. This is by Vanilla Bay. It's called the Pink Leopard Sweatshirt. It's $69. I'm wearing a size small, which I would need to size up in this because I do not have a shirt on underneath it. So I'm down here. I just went ahead and threw it on, but it's a half zip. And it's warm, like it's real. You can feel the quality in this. It's so cute. Isn't this cute? This would be great for walking. I am trying to get back into walking. It's got the hood. The hood kind of pulls back. I like how it's pink on the inside. I think this is so cute. It has some kind of stitching right here. It feels like it should go below the girls. So with this being a small, it's gonna shrink. I didn't look at the fabric, but it's gonna shrink. But it has the thumb hole. Look how cute that is. I really like this. I think I'm gonna exchange it for a medium. What do you guys think? It is thick. I'm starting to sweat. So there's two pieces that I absolutely love. Well, I love the bomber jacket, which I need to size down. I love this sweatshirt. I need to size up. I like the leggings, but I think $54 is a little much when I know I can get really nice leggings for a lot less, but they're here and I don't have any that fit. They're warm. Yeah, I could wear these when it's really cold out. I like, let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. These are the three, let's see, and the top that I had on with the drawstring on the side, I really like it. I mean, it's kind of pricey, I think, for $54. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. You guys tell me what you think. I don't know, I really like this. This is warm. It's like just warm. And that's it, that's my Wantable. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'll leave my referral link down below if you wanna try a box, $20 styling fee, keep 5 items or more. That's right, 5 items, you get 20% off. I'll have to do the math and I have to see how much I like something before I decide if I'm gonna keep 5 things or not. Probably not, but I think that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.